Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening. Thank you very much for taking the time to meet with me today. My name is Nisa Ramadhani and I am very excited to have this opportunity to learn from your experiences. Before we begin, let me introduce our guest today. We have with Miss Apotheker Melinda S. Farm, a pharmacist with extensive experience at Apotik K24 Palembang. Thank you for joining us today. This interview aims to gain a deeper understanding of the pharmacy profession and the important role pharmacists play in healthcare. If you're ready, let's get started. First question. What motivated you to become a pharmacist and what were the challenges? Yang artinya, apa yang memotivasi Anda menjadi apoteker dan apa saja tantangannya? Dipersilakan.
Saya termotivasi menjadi apoteker karena ingin berkontribusi langsung dalam meningkatkan kualitas kesehatan masyarakat. Profesi apoteker tidak hanya tentang meracik dan memberikan obat, tetapi juga memberikan edukasi kepada pasien mengenai penggunaan obat yang benar dan baik, serta memastikan keamanan dan efektivitas terapi.
Oke, baik. I am motivated to become a pharmacist because I want to contribute directly to improving the quality of public health. The pharmacist profession is not only about compounding and dispensing drugs, but also providing education to patients on the correct use of drugs, as well as ensuring the safety and effectiveness of therapy. Next. Have you ever felt like giving up on pharmacy and what kept you going? Yang artinya, pernahkah Anda merasa ingin menyerah di bidang farmasi dan apa yang membuat Anda tetap bertahan?
Tentu saja, ada saat-saat di mana saya merasa lelah dan hampir menyerah. Pertama, ketika menghadapi beban studi yang berat, laporan yang menumpuk, dan ujian yang berdekatan. Namun yang membuat saya tetap bertahan adalah rasa tanggung jawab terhadap cita-cita saya, pengeluaran yang sudah banyak, dan dukungan dari keluarga serta teman-teman.
Oke, baik. Of course, there were times when I felt exhausted and almost gave up, especially when faced with a heavy study load, billing reports, and approaching exams. However, what kept me going was a sense of responsibility towards my goal, a lot of expenses, and support from my family and friends. Next, pertanyaan selanjutnya. What advice do you have for students who want to become a pharmacist in the future, and what are your tips for building enthusiasm for learning amidst the pressure of grades, reports, and exams? Yang artinya, apa saran Anda bagi mahasiswa yang ingin menjadi apoteker di masa depan, dan bagaimana tips dari Anda untuk membangun semangat belajar di tengah tekanan nilai, laporan, dan ujian yang padat? Persilakan.
Pastikan benar-benar memahami alasan dan tujuan memilih profesi ini, dan jangan ragu untuk bertanya dan berdiskusi dengan dosen atau senior jika mengalami kesulitan. Untuk tipsnya, fokus pada proses, bukan hanya hasil.
Oke, baik. Make sure you really understand the reason and objective of choosing this profession and don't hesitate to ask and discuss with lecturers of senior if you have difficulties. For tips, focus on the process and not just the result. Oke, baik. Thank you again for sharing your experiences with us today. It was great to learn more about your work as a pharmacist. We really appreciated your time. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.